Welcome to Prime Auto Insights. Today, we're diving into a major shift in the car world, the death of muscle cars in 2025. The Dodge Challenger, gone. Chevy Camaro, discontinued forever. Even the Ford Mustang is changing in ways no one expected. But why is this happening? And is there any hope left for V8 muscle cars? Stick around because the truth may shock you. Before we get into it, hit that subscribe button to stay updated on the latest performance cars and breaking automotive news. If you love muscle cars, this is a conversation you can't afford to miss. For decades, muscle cars have ruled the streets with big V8s, insane horsepower, and raw exhaust notes. But today, that era is fading fast. Just a few years ago, we had the Dodge Hellcat, the Camaro Zelati, and the Mustang Shelby GT500 leading the charge. Now, two of them are already dead. The Dodge Challenger and Chevy Camaro have been axed, and what's replacing them? Electric cars. But what's causing this extinction? Let's break it down. The biggest factor: government regulations. Stricter emission laws, fuel economy standards, and heavy fines on gas-powered cars are forcing automakers to rethink their strategy. In Europe, V8s are nearly non-existent due to insane CO2 taxes. And in the US, automakers are pushed towards EVs because selling gas-powered cars is getting too expensive. The future is electric, whether we like it or not. Now, let's talk about Dodge, the king of muscle cars. Dodge had the Hellcat, Demon, and Red Eye, cars that defined American muscle. But now, the all-new Dodge Charger Daytona is electric. It may look aggressive, but instead of a supercharged V8, it has a fake exhaust noise and an EV drivetrain. Dodge isn't offering a choice. They're saying, V8s are dead. Get over it. But here's the real reason muscle cars are dying: sales are collapsing. Think about it. 20 years ago, the Mustang, Camaro, and Challenger were selling in massive numbers. But today, sales are down drastically. The average muscle car buyer is now over 50. Younger buyers, they're more interested in Tesla Plaids, BMW M cars, and JDM tuners. And let's be real, gas prices are skyrocketing, insurance is ridiculously expensive, and affordability is disappearing. Would you still buy a V8 muscle car today? Drop a comment below and let us know. But here's the big question: is this really the end of muscle cars? Maybe not. Ford is still keeping the V8 alive, for now. The 2025 Mustang GT and Dark Horse still offer naturally aspirated power, but for how much longer? Even Chevy has hinted at a future electric Camaro revival. Some rumors suggest Dodge may bring back hybrid muscle cars with real engine sound. So, is the era of V8 muscle cars truly over? Or are we just entering a new chapter? Tell us in the comments below. Would you embrace electric muscle cars, or should V8s be saved? Before you go, if you love high-performance cars and want more in-depth reviews, industry updates, and breaking automotive news, like this video and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.